Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Do you want to reduce distractions in your video backgrounds? CapCut offers a background removal tool that lets you effortlessly isolate your subject from its surroundings for a cleaner, more professional look. In this video, I will guide you through the simple steps of removing backgrounds using CapCut on your PC. Let's go. To begin, open CapCut on your PC and start a new project. Import your video and add it to the timeline below. Next, select the video and navigate to the configuration panel on the right. Under the Video tab, navigate to the Remove BG section, wherein you have three options for background removal. Auto removal uses AI to automatically detect and remove the background, which is perfect for videos with clear subject-background contrasts. However, exporting with this feature requires a Pro subscription. If you want to have more control over the removal process, try the Custom Removal option. This is ideal for complex backgrounds. Use the Smart Brush to draw a mask around your subject, and CapCut will remove everything outside. Lastly, Chroma Key is best for videos with consistent color backgrounds, like green or blue screens. Simply use the Color Picker tool to select the most prominent color in the background of your video. When you're satisfied with the output, click Export to save your edited video on your computer.
That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or other problems with your Apple device, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.